How to fix Mint Mobile data not working. To fix the Mint Mobile's data not working error, first of all, try to restart your phone immediately to refresh your connection to T-Mobile network towers that Mint uses. Now, once you do this, all you have to do is verify account and data limits. You simply have to launch the Mint Mobile application on your device and log into your account. Once you do so, head to the account dashboard to ensure your plan has not expired and that you haven't completely used up your monthly data allowance. Once you check this, turn off the data saver mode as well, then manually configure the Mint Mobile APN settings. All you have to do is swipe downwards from your home screen, then access the native phone's setting application, head to mobile networks. Once you are here within the mobile networks, you simply have to head to the access point names. From there, proceed to tap the add icon or plus sign in the top right corner to create a new APN. From there, all you have to do is enter Mint within the name section, and within the APN type capital W HOLESALE wholesale. Then within the MCC option, type 310 and MNC 260. And select the APN type to default SUPL, MMS, and IA. Once you set your APN protocol to IPv4 and IPv6, you simply have to now set your APN roaming protocol to IPv4. Once you do this, tap save and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.